What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today. Listen, today is going to be an amazing treatment for you, and it's so simple. Hey, if you're new to the channel, why don't you join my beautiful babe brigade? All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, and please consider hitting the post notification bell so you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. Now, y'all, let's get to today's video: how to dramatically reduce those wrinkles, fine lines, and rejuvenate your complexion so you can look youthful and have hydrated skin. It's so simple today, y'all. I am amazed at this one myself. Now look, if you're sitting around and your skin is dry, it's patchy, flaking skin, you have deep wrinkles, maybe it's spotty or blotchy, you know what? This is going to help even with crow's feet and fine lines. This serum that I'm going to share with you today is going to help your aging skin feel younger and be more hydrated. Your skin will feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and soon wrinkle-free. It'll take maybe about 4 weeks and you'll see a dramatic reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Let me share with you how simple this is. Now, you'll need apple juice or apple pulp. Now, I prefer apple juice because I can easily just mix in the second ingredient. Now, let me tell you about the apple juice or just plain apples. They contain malic acid. They're rich in vitamins. And yes, malic acid is a form of alpha hydroxy acid. It also contains phytonutrients, flavonoids, phenols, and it's going to help provide a powerful antioxidant to help promote beautiful skin. So simple. And the second ingredient, after that tablespoon of apple juice, just take a teaspoon of glycerin. That's all, vegetable glycerin. Now, glycerin is a humectant that can be naturally derived from plant oils, or there are some synthetic produced glycerins out there, but I prefer vegetable glycerin. As a humectant, glycerin will work to moisturize your skin by drawing water from the air into your skin's outer layer. It's going to help form a protective layer that prevents moisture loss. Now, once you have your apple juice or your apple pulp all blended with the glycerin, the 1 teaspoon of glycerin, simply wash your face or whichever area you're going to apply this serum. Wash your face thoroughly and then apply a thin layer of this serum and let it absorb. About 15 minutes is all it'll take, and then apply your moisturizer if needed. Honestly speaking, you won't even need a moisturizer after this. Now, do this before bedtime. That's my preferred time to apply this serum. This will actually help rejuvenate your complexion, rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. And you'll wake with beautiful, refreshed skin. Week after week, you'll notice a dramatic difference in fine lines and wrinkles, and your skin will be so refreshed, younger looking, and hydrated. Now, when you wake in the morning, of course, wash your face as normal. But again, if you like, yes, you can apply this twice a day. It's very gentle, very mild. But of course, it is for external use only. And make sure you don't get any in your eye, of course. Just simply apply that thin layer. That's all it takes. And my goodness, my skin feels amazing. And honestly speaking, no, my skin feels quite moisturized, quite hydrated, and I really don't even need to apply a moisturizer. There you go, beautiful babes. If you have any questions about this simple treatment that will help dramatically reduce your wrinkles, fine lines, rejuvenate your complexion, and give you youthful, hydrated skin, just hit me up in the comments. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please do consider subscribing and hitting that post notification bell on your way out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you all on the next video. And please keep on doing what you're doing, and that is sharing me with your world. I will see you on the next video. Bye now.